Now, welcome to the analysis of this channel. I want to say thank you so much because of your love towards this channel. Now, these are Raila Amolo Odinga's dilemma towards what Supreme Court might decide in case if Supreme Court is going to decide these three things. Raila Amolo Odinga is in a dilemma. How is going to cope up with this situation? So I have tried my best to summarize them into three things. So I want us to look at one by one, then we see what are these Raila Odinga's dilemma towards the petition in the Supreme Court. Now, we must do understand that this is not for the first time that Raila Odinga petitioning a presidential election in court. He petitioned in 2013 and Chief Justice William Mutunga threw it away. And when it comes to the petition of presidential election of 2017, Maraga nullified the election. Then when it comes to this 2022 general election, we don't know whatever might come, but it will depend with evidence that they're going to give the Supreme Court, because what we do understand is that the Supreme Court, the arguments depends on the evidence that you avail and table in the Supreme Court. Now, I want us to look at those points why Raila Odinga is having dilemma. Number one, what if Supreme Court nullifies these elections? Then the same IABC is being demanded to conduct election with the same chairperson Wafula Chebukati, the same CEO Marjan Hussein Marjan, with the same people like Gulie, the same people Cherera and other colleagues in the IABC. That court might decide that yes, there is certain division in the Supreme Court, in the IABC Commission. They might bring these IABC commissioners on board and let them agree how they're going to conduct the next election, if in case these elections is going to be nullified. So what Raila Odinga is having dilemma with is what about if court is going to order the same IABC to conduct this next 2 months election after 60 days with the same register that is being claimed is having problems with the same companies, mathematics company. And the other time I told you, these mathematics companies had been always having a lot of issues across the world. It is not for the first time that they're conducting election in Africa. They conducted election in Uganda and other parts of Africa. And also what we do understand, they have been having a lot of issues not conducting free and fair election. And I said the other time that when mathematics company conducted election in Uganda, William Samoruto was the person that connected mathematics company with the IABC. That is why the tender that they won was because of William Samoruto's negotiation, because there was so trust that William Ruto believed that mathematics was going to do whatever they want. So this will be a big headache for Raila Odinga if in case after nullification is the same company that is going to conduct the next election. Number two, another thing is that IABC to use the same IABC to put their servers open to the public. One thing that I have realized, there was an argument in the Supreme Court 2017 that IABC should open their server. Then this is my opinion. I think during election or during that period where there is verification, there is uploading of those Form 34A in the IABC portal and verification is being done, I think IABC should not open their servers in that period of now election is being done. Then after the election has been finalized, then the result is available. Then they give the result, then they open the server, they prove it the way it was. Because if you open the server, it means that the server is open to everyone. And that is why you see there's a lot of claim of server being hacked and being interfered with. That is number one. Head dilemma for Raila Odinga. Dilemma number two is, if in case Supreme Court found that yes, there was some irregularities, but these irregularities does not meet threshold to nullify these elections and Ruto to be declared a winner, as the chairperson Wafula Chebukati said that William Samoei won the general election. Then another headache might be also under the same point. They might found that that calculation of Wafula Chebukati reaching at 100.01% was verifiable and was reflecting the real result that was having when it comes to William Samoei, what he had, what Mwaure had, what Wajakoya had, and what Raila had. When you add them, you get 100.01%, which according to me, I don't see if that is going to be possible. But in case Supreme Court is going to get that the evidences that has been availed in the Supreme Court does not have that threshold, you know, the evidence must meet that threshold. They might say, yes, there was some irregularities, but it does not mean, and it does not have the strength that election to be nullified and they declare William Samoei winner. Then if they are unable to convince the Supreme Court with the evidence they have, I said it and I will still continue repeating. In the Supreme Court, you don't argue empty. You must have something to argue on. And this something that you must argue on is evidence. Supreme Court needs real evidence. They don't want argument in the Supreme Court, because you will find yourself arguing perfectly, very well, but you don't have evidence. I want to tell you, you cannot succeed in the Supreme Court. And that is why I say, if in case Raila Odinga's team does not have that convincing power to the Supreme Court that these elections were rigged and was having a bigger percentage of irregularities, I think they will face it off. Then number three, if in case Supreme Court orders a retaliate, that those forms to be those forms that were already having a lot of issues. Remember, at the point of polling stations, those forms were already interfered with, that point. Then when they were being uploaded in the IABC portal, they were already having problems. So in case Supreme Court orders, yes, we are going to retaliate those forms, but the specific forms that was from IABC portal, then the same forms that is having problem is the same forms that now is being retaliated. Then it means there will be no difference there. Still, the elections was rigged at that point of polling stations where the counting was done. Then there are certain people that made corrections. When, for example, William Ruto got this, they changed this and this and this and this. And that is what that point of JPEG and a PDF comes in. But now, if then those forms that were uploaded in the IABC portal, they are going to be used to retaliate. It means that those documents that was downloaded, then deleted the original, then re-uploaded to the IABC portal, it means that there will be already interference of the document. So there will be no reality when it comes to that document. So the stress and the dilemma that Raila Odinga is having, in case of Supreme Court to call for retaliate, and yet they are going to use those forms, not the originals one, because you do understand what we call that. Some people were saying there were a good number of hackers that hacked the system of IABC and their servers. So I think they changed certain documents in their system. So in case they are going to do so and find that Raila Odinga did not win election, then they are going to make William Samoei a winner. And that is my submission. Ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts? Are you thinking beyond what I have given out, you can give your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I want to appreciate you so much because of your continuity to support the work of this channel. If you're a visitor and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, ensure that you subscribe to this channel. You put on the notification bell that when I upload my videos, you get notified. For those who are returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. Bye bye till we meet on another video.